Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Today we are preparing mixed veg paratha. If you love stuffed paratha, then you must try this one. For this, here I have taken couple of florets of cauliflower, 1 to 2 carrot, couple of bean strings. I have grated cauliflower and carrot and very finely chopped beans, and I have one boiled potato. So let's go ahead and start our recipe. To start, here I have 1 tablespoon of oil into a pan, and into goes our grated cauliflower. We are just going to cook the cauliflower for around a minute or so. So keep on stirring and cook the cauliflower on medium-high heat. And then we are going to add carrot and beans. We are not adding here any salt or any spices. All we want is all the vegetables to cook nicely, and at the same time we want the moisture to be evaporated. So keep stirring now and then. Cook it on medium-high heat for around 5 to 6 minutes. Soon you will notice our vegetables are nice and soft and not much of a moisture is there. So it's been around 6 minutes and I've been cooking on medium-high flame. So now vegetables are looking good. The quantity has been reduced as well. So this is the time I'm going to take all the vegetables out of the pan. In the same pan, here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil, and into goes 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, which is completely optional, and then I'm adding 3 to 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped and half an inch of ginger finely chopped. Just give it a good mix, cook for around 30 seconds or so, and then we are going to add 1 big size of onion finely chopped. Mix everything well. We need to cook the onion until it's nice and translucent. Add some salt if you wish. It helps onion to cook fast, and we're just going to cook the onion on medium flame. Keep on stirring now and then until it's nicely translucent. As you can see, our onion is looking good. Onion, ginger, garlic, everything has been cooked nicely. So this is the time to add our spices. So here we have our very basic spices, which is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of amchur powder, which is dried mango powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, which is coriander, cumin and black pepper mix. So now we just need to mix everything with the onion and allow the spices to cook until the raw flavor of the spices goes away. So if your spices are very dry, then it might burn. So instead of adding extra moisture like water, what we need to do is we can add a little bit of vegetables, because these vegetables still has a lot of moisture in it, and that will allow our spices to cook. At the same time, the vegetables will also cook nicely with the spices. So add a little bit of the vegetables first, let the spices cook nicely, and then we are going to add all the vegetables, and we need to cook it further. So just mix all the vegetables with the spices nicely and allow it to cook for another minute or so that everything is nicely combined and cooked, and then we are going to add our potato. So just break the potato and mix it with the vegetables, and also we need to add here handful of coriander leaves. If you have it, it works wonderful. It adds a really nice flavor to the mixed veg. And also, if you have chaat masala powder, add around a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, which will bring a chatpata flavor to the spices. And taste your salt at this point and chilies, and you can add salt, chili according to your taste bud. And we just need to mix everything nicely, and then our stuffing is ready. As you can see, our stuffing looks good. It's nice and dry. So this is the time we need to take the stuffing out. And it's important that you let the stuffing cool down before you make the paratha. It really helps if you keep it in the fridge for an hour or so. You can prepare in advance. This stuffing is also very good for sandwiches, for puff pastry. Really a nice way to help kids eat vegetables. So now we are ready to make our paratha. To prepare the paratha dough, here I have wheat flour. Into goes little bit of salt, little bit of carom seed, 1 teaspoon of oil, and we prepare the dough nice and soft with water, and we are ready to add our stuffing. Everyone has their own way of do the stuffing into the dough, and this is the way I prefer to do it. But whichever way is comfortable to you, you have your dough, you have your stuffing. Just stuff the stuffing into the dough for to make the stuffed paratha, and just roll it and cook it, and it's really nice way to eat vegetables. The paratha comes out very tasty. I hope you are going to try this recipe. It's a must try if you love stuffed paratha. So just do give it a try and help your family, your kids to feed this nice paratha. I hope you are going to like this recipe. If you like it, please do give it a like to this recipe, and there are many more paratha recipes or similar recipes on our channel. So please do subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.